Hi guys, you're watching Aurora's vlog. Today I'm gonna be showing you DIY small spicy chicken steamed buns and chocolate steamed buns. If this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let's get this video going. Okay, honey, I have the steam bun ready. The first 6 chicken spicy tapatio chicken steam bun and this chocolate. Which one do you want to try first?
I'm gonna try one of the meat ones first.
Which one you want? Okay, that's a spicy one.
Okay, I'll try a spicy one first.
Can you open it up?
Oh, it's not too hot. There's stuff inside.
Ooh, okay, try it now. It's so tiny.
It's different than I expected. Very nice. Wow.
Is it spicy?
No. Oh yeah, now it's spicy. Yeah, it's getting spicy for real. I was kidding at first, but now it's for real.
Wow. What do you think? Is it soft? The steam bun is overcooked?
It's interesting, yeah.
It's my first time. You like it?
Yep, I do.
Cool. I'm gonna try the chocolate. Ah. Oh, that looks so delicious. Oh. Wow. The steam bun chocolate is so delicious, guys. I want you to try the chocolate.
I'll try this one.
Open it up first.
Yep, it's gonna get chocolate or everything.
Alright, try it.
I still got spicy from the other one. But
What do you think of the steam bun chocolate?
yeah, I like it a lot. It's a nice little chocolate snack.
Did you like the chicken also?
Yeah, I like them both actually.
You like it?
It'd be nice for you to make these again. I like them.
Cool. Thanks, honey. Thank you for watching, guys. You gotta try it.